Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are seeing amazing miracle pyramid conch ever collected from Indian Ocean. It's a beautiful conch in the shape of pyramid collected from Indian Ocean. Extremely very rarest collection, and you can see three lines passing this conch. It is very hard to see such a pyramid conch from Indian Ocean. It is a normal conch. It is a regular shape of the conch. It's a pyramid conch. It is impossible collection. This pyramid conch have very good healing properties. Have very good healing property. Just keep in your home. It is enough. It will remove all negative energy from your place and gives huge success to you. And you can also do pujas and abhishek with this pyramid conch. It is a unbelievable shape from Indian Ocean. Puja pyramid conch from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable collection. We can never get into shape. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So it is a regular shape. It is a regular shape. It's a pyramid conch. Unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.